Good afternoon, Namaskaram. A warm welcome to Miriyoram. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നും നമ്മളുടെ ന്യൂ ഇയർ സ്പെഷ്യൽ എപ്പിസോഡാണ് മിഴിയോരത്തിൽ. ഇന്ന് നമ്മോടൊപ്പം മറ്റാരുമല്ല, ഡോക്ടർ കുമാർ PhD, lifestyle and wellness consultant, astro-numerologist, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. He's traveled all over the world. He's met by celebrities and film stars. So here he's today with us to advise you. അപ്പം നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നിങ്ങളുടെ ജ്യോതിഷപരമായിട്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ഒക്കെ വിളിച്ച് ചോദിക്കാവുന്ന ഒരു അവസരമാണ്. വിളിക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ 0529611133. അതുപോലെ SMS അയക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ 3537. SMS അയക്കുന്ന ഫോമാറ്റ് NTV സ്പേസ് നിങ്ങളുടെ ചോദ്യം, നിങ്ങളുടെ പേര്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഇന്നലെ ഡോക്ടർ രാശിയെക്കുറിച്ച് സംസാരിച്ചു, 4 രാശിയെക്കുറിച്ച് സംസാരിച്ചു. ഇന്ന് അതിൻ്റെ ബാക്കി കണ്ടിന്യൂഷൻ ആയിരിക്കും. അപ്പോൾ രാശി അനുസരിച്ച് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഈ ഒരു വർഷം എങ്ങനെ ആയിരിക്കും എന്നുള്ള പ്രഡിക്ഷൻ ആണ് ഡോക്ടർ ഇന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പം ഇന്നലത്തെ പോലെ തന്നെ ഇന്ന് നമുക്ക് SMS അയക്കുന്നതിൽ നിന്നും നമ്മൾ ഒരു വ്യക്തിയെ തിരഞ്ഞെടുത്ത് ആ ഒരു വ്യക്തിക്ക് ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറിൻ്റെ ഫ്രീ കൺസൾട്ടേഷൻസ് അവൈലബിൾ ആണ്. അപ്പം തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും SMS അയക്കുക. വൺസ് അഗൈൻ ദ നമ്പർ ഇസ് 3537. ഡോക്ടർ നമസ്കാരം, വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കൂടി സ്വാഗതം.
നമസ്കാരം, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. And again, Happy New Year to you, everybody.
Thank you so much, Doctor. So yesterday you talked about 4 Rashis.
Correct.
So we'll start with the next one for today.
Yeah, we'll start with the next one. Next one is Leo, Simha Rashi, and it covers Makam and 2-3 nakshatra it will cover. It will cover, I think, Makiyam, Tiruvartira and Punartham. Okay, I think for these people, this year is not so benefited. Not very much. I think we have given points 3 out of 10. So basically, lot of things will be unfavorable for this period, and usually these people, they have Ardha Shani going on. So for them, they have to be careful. It is just begun on November 2014. And even the main planets which we talk about, Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu, I don't think any planet would be much benefited to them, only except a little bit percentage of Jupiter, where they can get health problems, and even business people can get up and downs, and the people those who are employed can be like there can be displacement in their job. And basically for them, this year 2015 demands patience. It is necessary to pay attention on your finances and health, and even you have to avoid unnecessary arguments and disputes. It is very likely that you may be you may use unpleasant words, and then you may get annoyed, so you have to think before you speak. Take special care while driving in 2015. It is good to stay alert in business matters from the near and dear ones, otherwise you may become a victim of cheating. Avoid long distance travels and any big investments in 2015. As I told you, Shani's Kantaka Shani, Ardha Shani will be there for you up till October 2017. And basically aspects are fearless and strong willpower. Your favorable number is 1 and 9. You have to take precautions performing any types of donations, because they can be misused. You have to be away from color black, green and blue. Journey in the southwest. Food items like heavy items or spicy and sour items, and you can avoid the company of any people those who have any negative bad habits. Okay? Thank you,
doctor. So that was for Simha Rashi. We have a caller with us today.
Okay.
Hello, good afternoon.
ഹലോ,
നമസ്കാരം, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
എന്റെ പേര് അരുൺ എന്നാണ്.
ഓക്കെ, അരുൺ, ആരെ കുറിച്ചാണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്നെ കുറിച്ച് തന്നെ.
പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
4/10/1983.
4/10/1983. ഓക്കെ, ടൈം
7:35 PM.
ഓക്കെ, പ്ലേസ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് എവിടെയാണ്? നാട്ടിലാണോ?
കേരള.
ഓക്കെ. എന്താണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
ജോബ് ചേഞ്ചിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ് അറിയുന്നത്.
Okay. He's planning to change his job, so you would like to know about that.
Yes. First of all, Mr. Arun, a very, very happy New Year to you.
Yeah, same to you.
Okay, you are Simha Rashi, and the nakshatra is Puram nakshatra.
Puram, yeah.
Yeah, correct. Okay. I think you must have heard about yours Rashi just now.
Yeah.
So this year is difficult for you. As I told you, you have Ardha Shani from November 2014 to October 2017. You, what is your religion, if you don't mind?
I'm a Hindu.
Okay, you have Sarpadosham. Please do the necessary prayers of Sarpadosham in your native place.
Okay.
You are birth number 4 and life path number is 8. Usually the number 4 denotes to number, what you say, the planet Rahu, and 8 is usually you can say number of Saturn, you know. So it
Okay.
is difficult. You usually get, you know, obstacles in short term and long term assignments. Your dasha is Chawwa dasha at present, Mangal dasha up till 24/01/2015, and after
Okay.
that it is Rahu dasha for 18 years. So I will not advise you any job change very in near future. At least for 2015 you should not take any chances or risk of changing the job unless you have you can say a definite paper or definite appointment letter with you, you know.
Okay.
I will tell you, you can do some remedies. Wear a blue quartz crystal, and your
Okay.
prosperity pendant number is number 3. Your lucky number is 3. Day is Thursday. Color is yellow. And I would advise you also to wear a prosperity pendant number 3. Keep a small piece of square silver in your purse always. Drink water in silver glass. Do not accept electrical goods as gift, and whatever electrical goods if you have at home which are not working, either get rid of it, throw them, or get it repaired, and wash your feet at night before you go to bed. I think if you do all these things, you will get a little bit favorable results in the 2015. Okay,
Okay.
thank
Okay,
you.
thank
Bye.
you, Arun. Yeah, bye bye.
Thank you.
All right, doctor. Shall we go to the first SMS?
Okay, SMS will go. Okay.
Yeah.
You
It's
got
come
it?
from Sabita.
Acha, now only?
Yes.
Fine, Sabita ji.
Yes, Sabita has also sent us Happy New Year. Thank you, Sabita, and wishing you the same.
Wishing
a
you
very
the
happy
same,
New
wishing
Year.
you the same, correct.
All right. Her date of birth is 18/9/1974.
1809,
Yes,
1809, 19.
74.
Yes, you're born on Wednesday.
Place of birth is Chennai.
Okay, and time?
Time is 7:15 a.m.
Zeros. Okay.
Okay. What she said is she had a government job which she had to resign. She wants to know now if she will get a good job again, and she didn't do any.
I think this we had
She
taken
didn't
it
do any
earlier.
remedies during Kandagashini.
think-
So what should I do now?
I think this she has sent it. This is repeat she is sending. We have taken this already earlier.
No, this has come just now.
Yeah, but we
Yeah,
have already.
okay, we'll
Yes,
take
I
it.
remember it.
Okay,
Sabina
okay.
from Chennai. I think I had told you earlier. I think so.
Okay.
I have taken this. I have taken this. I remember for government job.
Okay.
I may have the paper also. She is Tula Rashi and Chitra Nakshatra, and her Kantaka Shani is going on. Even Amitabh Bachchan is Tula Rashi. His Shani is also going on. So Shani is going on from 10/09/2009 to 26/10/2017, and she says she doesn't have any. She doesn't have done any remedies. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, she got Chavadosham. Her birth number is 9, life path number is 3, and the dasha which she is going on is Shani dasha. So you have usually double Shani. One is Kantaka Shani which is going on in your Rashi, and in the dasha, in the Jatakam you have Shani dasha from 2009 to 2028. So I think it is difficult to get a government job at this phase of time. I think I have told you some remedies, but you can do some sunny remedies which I will tell you now. You have to feed the pigeons with the chiruper for 62 days continuously, and then only on Saturday and Tuesday. You can also feed 8 poor people once a month. 8 poor people once a month with vegetarian food every Saturday. And as I've told you, poor people, you will get lot of baldiyas and construction people, wherever construction is going on or where they're washing the cars. All these people are poor people. You can feed them with every Saturday once in a month, and plus you can keep a fast on every Saturday and Tuesday. You can have vegetarian food, and plus I think if you wear a prosperity pendant number 3, I think that would serve out good results for you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, doctor. We have a caller with us. Hello, namaskaram.
നമസ്കാരം.
വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. യെസ്, ആരെക്കുറിച്ചാണ്? മനോജിനെ കുറിച്ചാണോ അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്നെ സ്വന്തം എന്റെ
ആ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് 30/5/1983.
ഓക്കെ, 35/1983. ടൈം?
നക്ഷത്രം മൂലം.
ഓക്കെ, സമയം അറിയത്തില്ല.
സമയം 2:45 PM.
Okay, 2:45 p.m. is the time. And ജനിച്ചത് എവിടെയാണ്? നാട്ടിലാണോ?
നാട്ടിലാ.
Okay, Kerala is the place of birth. Okay, എന്താണ് അറിയേണ്ടത്?
എനിക്ക് എന്റെ തൊഴിൽപരമായിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളും സാമ്പത്തികമൊക്കെ അതൊക്കെ.
Okay, he would like to know about his job and his financial stability and his family life.
I think your nakshatra, what you said nakshatra? Moolam nakshatra.
മൂലം.
Can you repeat your date of birth, please?
30/5/1983 ആണോ? 35/1983.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
30/05/1983.
Yeah,
Monday. 14:45.
Monday. Yeah, 14:45.
Kerala?
Kerala.
No, it is not Moolam nakshatra then. You are Dhanu Rashi.
That's 29. Actually, in my document, it is 29. You can just say 29/05/1983.
Yes, if it is 29, then it will come Moolam. Correct.
Alright, yeah.
Yes, I think then because 30th it is not coming, so that means your date of birth is 29.
Yeah, should be.
Okay, Dhanu Rashi and no P Ashad. No, it is little earlier, I think so, or it is it I think morning 2:45
No, after that only.
because 29th is also showing Puradam. Moolam will come little before that. Just before that, Moolam will come. So if you
So
give me.
I'm not sure about the time actually. Date is okay. Date is 29/05/1983.
Then timing is you sure you that means you are born early morning. Let me tell you that. I will just put early morning. You are sure of Moolam nakshatra?
Yeah, that is sure.
Then I think you need to see the timing, but I will put it early morning time and check for you. I
Okay.
think it is early morning. It is not in the afternoon because afternoon we are getting Puradam nakshatra, and I have just put the early morning timing, which is Dhanu Rashi. So it is early morning, not afternoon. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Dhanu Rashi and Moolam nakshatra.
Mhm.
Your Kantaka Shani just started in November 2014 and it will last up till January 2023.
2023.
Yes, yes. So you have very, very difficult time. Your birth number 2 and life path number 1. When you total up, it comes to number 3. And your dasha is Chandrama, moon dasha, which is up till 2022. It's okay. The dasha is okay, fine. But regarding the Kantaka Shani, I am worried about Kantaka. I think you have to do some remedies. You cannot take anything risk at the part, and it's just started. Kantaka Shani is just started, so it is very, very difficult for you to take any risk in your career or any major decision, family decision. Even you don't have even much of land luck, please do not deal in any real estate or land luck or anything. Don't buy any properties on your name.
Mhm.
Yes, I would advise you can go for a yellow quartz crystal. You can wear a prosperity pendant number 3. Donate black color shoes, umbrella or school bags or something to the poor. And even I would advise you can sponsor a child's education, or you can also try to distribute educational books or stationery school items to the school going children. I think this.
If you don't mind, can I note it down?
Yes, you can actually you can note it on also, but it is very easy also for you to go and catch up and see the program again.
Mhm.
In the
Okay,
meantime, we can take one more caller. That is why, correct?
Alright.
Okay,
Alright.
thank you.
Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye.
I think I was right, correct?
Yes. Okay, doctor. We'll go to another Rashi.
Yeah, I think we should go to other Rashi,
Yes.
which is Virgo, Kanya,
Kanni.
Kanni.
Kanni Rashi.
Kanni Rashi. Okay, this is 50% because 5 points after out of 10. You should avoid basically some sweets and some salty during the whole year. Jupiter planet will be producing good results for you, but not Saturn and Rahu. They will be medium results. Even the planets which are supporting you is only, I will say, Jupiter. The planet Ketu will not be supporting you. It is usually possible if you do some remedies, you can prevent some bad effects. And if on the one hand if you take something, and on the other hand if you take something else, you will definitely do only one way results. You cannot do 10 things at the same time. Finances will come from some hidden sources is possible, and your expenses will increase beyond limit. Even this year, you know, it is alerting for you that your parents' health may be little weak, and as I told you, unnecessary expenses will be there in 2015. Avoid getting attracted towards any unnecessary or stranger persons, otherwise they may create problem in your relationship problem, or they may what to say, misuse you. Stay alert from business partners. Possibilities of you can say cheating on to you on a higher side is very possible, and you should very be careful in taking any business decision. It is much needed that you stay alert and away from enemies. Even some known may cause harm to you in the near coming up months. As I have told you, like, take care of money as far as possible in 2015. You don't have any Kantaka Shani, Ardha Shani. Hesitation in taking decisions may be there. Good confidence that you have good confidence. Lucky number is 2 and 10, and you can be away from the dark color, that is red color. Journey in the east direction. Food items, that is consuming oily and sour items, is harmful for your health, and be away from the company of those who are very addicted people. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, doctor, for that. We'll go to another SMS.
Okay, we have
It's
a call.
from no, I don't think so.
No.
Yeah, I think before that we'll
We have a caller.
caller. Yes.
Okay.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, നമസ്കാരം. ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
ഞാൻ ചിത്തുവാണ്.
ഓക്കെ
സുഖമാണ്.
ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ. ആരെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എന്നെ കുറിച്ച് തന്നെയാണ്.
പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
35/1972.
ഓക്കെ. ടൈം?
Early 1:30
PM AM
morning.
മോർണിംഗ്. ഓക്കെ. എവിടെയാണ് ജനിച്ചത്?
Kerala.
എന്താണ് അറിയണ്ടേ?
What is the status now? What is the Rashi or എന്താണ് ഇപ്പോൾ status അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്.
Okay, you want to know in general?
Yeah.
Okay, he wants to know in general.
So I'll repeat. You said 30/05/1972.
Yeah.
Monday night, Tuesday
No,
morning.
Is it 1972 or 74?
1972, yeah.
72, okay.
72.
It is 72, correct?
Oh, yes.
Monday night, Tuesday morning. That is 1:30 a.m. Kerala.
Yeah.
Okay, you are Dhanu Rashi, Moolam Nakshatra.
No, I'm in Uttarakhand actually.
No, whatever details you are giving me is that way. It is 30/05/1972 Tuesday,
Yeah.
and 0130. Uttaradadi is never close to this. Close to will be Puradam or Trikita.
Acha.
Yeah, 30/05/1972, 1:30 a.m. That is 29th night, and 30th morning I have taken it, and Kerala, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, it is Dhanu Rashi and Moolam Nakshatra. You have to reach,
Sorry.
yeah.
There is no, there is a correction. 37 actually. 37.
Okay, it's 7th
It's
month. It's
July.
July. It's not May.
Yeah. Because it is in, yeah.
So it says 30/07/1972.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
P. Bhadra Puradadi. Kumbh Rashi.
Uttarakhand,
Yes.
Uttarakhand,
Yeah.
calling Uttarakhand, sir. This is what my father is telling.
Okay, Kumbh Rashi, Puradadi Nakshatra, and you have, okay, presently you don't have any Ardha Shani or Kantaka Shani, and your birth number is 3, life path number is 2 when you total up, and the Dasha which is going on is presently Budam Dasha up till October 2015. So whatever benefit you want, you will get it up till October 2015, because after that you have Ketu Dasha for 7 years. So I would advise you if you do some remedies, you can get good benefit before October 2015. So 2015 can be much more favorable for you. I would advise you can go smoky quartz crystal. Yeah, prosperity pendant number 2. And even I would advise you can feed the cat on Tuesday and Wednesday with the cat food after sunset. Cats are available at the next to the dustbin in the night. So after night, 7-8 o'clock after sunset, you can feed the cat on every Tuesday and Wednesday. And yes, and even I would advise you be a vegetarian for Saturday and Thursday. On Thursday, do not give loan, avoid haircut, avoid nail cut, and avoid shampoo, and do not wash clothes on Thursday at home. Please tell the home people, do not wash clothes at home. Even you can keep a round piece of silver in your purse always, and a crystal pyramid at your study table or your office table. Crystal pyramid immersed in water. I think that would help you good results for the 2015, so you can get best results before October 2015. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Welcome. Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye. Doctor, shall we go to an SMS?
Want to go SMS?
Yeah, Renault.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Date of birth is 26/10/1980.
26/10/1980.
Time is 12:35 a.m.
So 0035.
Yes. AM. Kerala. He wants to know about his job and marriage. Okay, in the meanwhile, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് personally Dr. Kumarne പോയി കാണണം എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ contact Mr. Kiran, and the contact number is 0502724157.
Okay, he is Vishabh Rashi and Kartika Nakshatra. And regarding his presently he doesn't have any Ardhashani, Kantaka Shani, Kal Sarpa Yogam, that is there. Kal Sarpa, that is Sarpadosham prayers has to be done in the necessary place. His birth number 8, life path number 9, and the dasha which is going on is Rahu Dasha up till June 2017. So you can understand that like for Rahu Dasha you have to take lots of effort. You will just get 30-35% results of your effort. Regarding what is his question?
I would like to know about his job and marriage.
Job, I would not advise you change any job. Be at still where you are, be satisfied. And regarding marriage, correct? Yeah, marriage, I think end of 2015 is a very, very good favorable period. In the meantime, I would advise you that do not accept any electrical goods. Feed the fishes every Wednesday, once a week. Feed the fishes with atta and raw rice and raw sugar. And if you can have the aquarium in the north area of your living room or wherever you are staying, it is very good. Even you can keep a crystal turtle at your office table also in water. That would help you out, give you very good results. Even you can keep fast on Wednesday, vegetarian food on Saturday and Thursday, and even I will advise you on every Wednesday keep a silence fast. Do not speak for 2 hours as you get up from the bed, at least if it is, or 1 hour, whatever is possible. That would give you good results regarding the said planet. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, doctor, so much. All right, we have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
നമസ്കാരം, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ?
ഞാൻ എന്റെ പേര് സന്ധ്യ എന്നാണ്. ഞാൻ ദുബായിന്നാണ് വിളിക്കുന്നത്.
ഓക്കെ, സന്ധ്യ പറയൂ.
എന്റെ മോളുടെ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ, ഹെൽത്തും അവളുടെ ലൈഫും എല്ലാം അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്.
ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. മോളുടെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ.
മോളുടെ ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് 2005 മന്ത്
29/5/2000.
Repeat please.
29th of May 2000 അല്ലേ?
Yes.
Okay, ദുബായിലാണ് ജനിച്ചത്. 9:30 AM PM morning.
Yeah.
Okay, 9:30 AM in the AM, and place of birth is Dubai. Okay, she would like to know.
Revati Nakshatranu.
Okay, her nakshatram is Revati. She would like to know about her daughter's education, health, and
Education,
life.
prosperity, and health.
Health.
Yes, she is Meena Rashi and Revati Nakshatra, and her Ardha Shani was there before. It is already finished in 2011-14. She got Sarpadosham. Please do the necessary prayers of Sarpadosham in your native place, otherwise she will get obstacles always regarding the same in career, in studies, and even in marriage also. Her she is birth number 2, life part number 9. I would advise her she can go for the prosperity Navaratna pendant, which is number 9.
Navaratna pendant, number 9.
Yeah, prosperity pendant. We call this prosperity pendant number 9. Okay, her dasha is presently Budham dasha.
Buddha Dasha.
Yeah,
okay.
Buddha dasha going up till February 2017. She will not get any obstacles for the studies in the same. But after that you have Ketu dasha. For 7 years you have Ketu dasha. After 2017, after February 2017, you have Ketu dasha. In that there is a possibility she can get break in the studies. She can get weak. Yes, she can get weak. Concentration power will be less. So I think she can go at that time, or she can wear a Ketu mala with 27 beads. Ketu mala with 27 beads only.
Ketu mala with 29.
27 beads.
Okay.
And that's just to wear only while you can say studying, or only while doing any meditation.
Okay.
Okay, and she can you can keep even 7 pieces of peacock feather in her room. You can keep a crystal pyramid, that is you can say educational crystal pyramid, in water, in a crystal ball or a glass bowl, and that water you have to change it every 2 to 3 days, and she should face east while studying. Give a lot of green east while studying. Give a lot of green vegetables on every Wednesday, and even donate on her name on every Wednesday lot of green color things like green vegetables, green color clothes, and on her name. And very good, I will tell you, just sponsor somebody's educational child. Sponsor a child's education. I think if you do that, your child will study in a better way. Okay,
and which subject will be more better for her? She can choose which subject for her.
For her, she can she is in which standard now?
9th standard.
Ninth standard. She how she is in maths?
Maths, she is very poor.
Yes, so she cannot go for science. She can go any for technical line, fashion designing, any you can say media, anything she can go for that. But she should avoid science, because there where the percentage will go down, because I had a doubt she is weak in maths, but to have a better percentage, at least up till 10th, just let her concentrate more on maths, because the percentage goes down. Otherwise I think she is okay with other subjects, correct?
Yeah, she is okay with other subjects, but she is very actually she is very good in math or science actually.
Yes, science, but like she can go for science, only she has to concentrate more in maths, because when you go in the science stream, they count even maths also, at the same time for taking the average. So
and
I don't.
What about her health?
Her health, it's okay, but sometimes she feels very weak, and concentration sometimes is very less at the time of night.
Yeah,
so
that is the problem.
yes, so I would advise you can always tell her to study early morning. Okay, thank you, bye.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, bye. Alright, doctor, we'll go for a break.
Okay, we'll go for a break.
Okay, it's time for a break. ഒരു ബ്രേക്കാണ്. ബ്രേക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞ് വന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിളിക്കാം എന്നാണ്. അതുപോലെ SMS അയക്കുക. SMS അയക്കുന്നുണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ഒരാളെ തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. SMS number 3537, format is NTV space, നിങ്ങളുടെ ചോദ്യം and your name. So see you all after a very short break.